My picky eater loves this treat. He looks forward to it every single day, as well as my...
I'm not the picky eater.
I know you're not the picky eater.
I am.
Hi everyone, I'm Rachel Zoe. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite ways to sneak in a more nutritional option into my kids' favorite treat, ice cream cones. Okay, so clearly the most important ingredient here is our actual ice cream. I choose to use non-dairy ice cream for my kids because I find that they get sick less when they don't have dairy. There's so many incredible brands now that are made with fruit. Some of them have vegetables, some of them even have avocado. This particular one is a mint with vegan dark chocolate chips. What I like to do, which my kids really like, is I like to layer. My children, including Roger, my husband, they all have different preferences about toppings. These are Kind protein bars with nuts and dark chocolate. This is all dairy-free dark chocolate. These are dark chocolate covered almonds and dark chocolate covered raisins. You can put them on with your hand. When Skylar was little, we used to take him for like frozen yogurt after school. And now my kids, every day after school or after camp in the summer, they expect mommy's ice cream cone. It's the little things.
Ice cream time.
Thanks everyone for watching Picky Eaters. I hope this gave you an idea how to sneak some nutrition into your Picky Eaters diet through one of my favorites. Enjoy, thanks for watching. Mwah.